And yo, Q. Y'all know what that is? What's good, Team Pixel? What's going on? So if you already know, the public beta is out, you know what I'm saying, where you can install Q. So we're gonna install it and let's see what we can find out if it's good or not. Let's go. All right, so the download's complete. Took a little bit, you know what I'm saying, but hey, got it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this update installed on the Pixel 3. Still in the boss condition. We'll see what's going on with it, man. We'll be back. All right, so the phone actually booted up really quick as soon as I turned it off, turned the camera off. But you can see here I got a message now saying, you know, this phone is Android beta program or whatever. So you can do feedback. The screen is great because I got my wellness on. I keep my wellness on from like a certain time of the night. So, oh, it says Pixel is starting now. It used to say Android is starting. That's something I noticed already. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn off my wellness. I took my vitamins earlier, man. Okay, let's turn off wellness. Get you back up. So I'll turn it back on. So it's finishing the update, as you can see there, to Q. Pretty sweet. Yep, I will do that. But it's going to finish the update. So let's go through here real fast. You know what I'm saying? A little briefly, just go through. This is from I was checking. So it's on Android Q, March 5th. That's the update that is on. And anything different in the settings, you can add emergency contact. That's probably always been there. If it hasn't been there, I sure didn't notice it before. But I know those have been there. It's just kind of truncated now. And the icons look a little different, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. I didn't really look, you know what I'm saying? But it looks a little different. So I'm gonna look for things wrong in here, you know what I'm saying? So this is a beta, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, I'll look for things wrong in here, but this is it, man. The Pixel 3 has been updated right now. I'm not gonna sit on the video and tell you, oh, it's snappier, or I don't know. I just got it, just updated it, and that's pretty much where I'm at. So I will check it out and go through and try to, you know, try to find things that's wrong with it, you know, because this is what a beta is for. You're supposed to be trying to find things wrong in the software. Yeah, it's looking like it's flowing right along so far. I've done plenty of betas, and you know, sometimes you get a whole bunch of bugs. I've been in betas before where you get just a gang of bugs, and then you just don't get any bugs. Like one or two. I was in a beta one time and I got like 2 bugs, and I was like, dang, something's wrong. But yeah, man, I'm ready. I'm ready to start testing and seeing if I can find some stuff in here. All this T-Mobile stuff on here. I gotta quit doing these restores. I'll leave my T-Mobile Tuesday on there because I rocks with T-Mobile Tuesday. Sometimes I do. But yeah, you know, everything's there. It's a quick video. The Pixel 3 has been updated. I will give you a follow-up video later on. Of course, I use mine on Google Fi, so that's just what it is. But we shall see how this works out, man. I really, really enjoy this phone. I still use it, obviously, every day. I was using my Moto until I shattered it. Kind of disgusted by that. But I'm still using it. I just had my Project Fi in my Moto. But, you know, I had to switch back to this because I really need to keep my Google Fi going up strong. But I'm pretty excited about this, man. Let's see what Q is about. And yo, Q. Y'all know what that is? It's your man Jay, man. I'll see you guys in the next video. Follow up later on.